gonna put that on top just like that. All right, so I'm gonna take my egg roll wrappers and I'm just gonna fold them like this and put a little toothpick in them. And I'm just gonna pop these in the air fryer for about maybe 3 minutes or so, just so until they get like a golden brown. While those egg roll wrappers are getting nice and toasty, we're gonna put a little bit of sesame oil in this pan, just about like so. We're also gonna add a little bit of mirin. Mirin is like a sweet cooking wine. That's good. And then we're also gonna do a little bit of soy sauce. All right, that should be good. Just give this a little, mix everything up a little bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna take some minced garlic that I have, toss this in there, and also some minced ginger. We're gonna do some green onions. I'm not gonna do all of this. I'm just gonna do probably like half because I'm gonna use the other half for like garnishing. So about that much. Perfect, okay. Now we're gonna take this to the heat. All right, we're gonna get this nice and heated up and just start tossing, mixing it around. Get that nice and golden. While that's cooking, I'm gonna take some cabbage right here. This is gonna go on top of this, and then some carrots, a little bit more of that green onion, and then also you can use parsley or cilantro, whatever you like. This one is parsley just because I couldn't find any cilantro, so we're going with parsley today. And again, we're gonna go in with some soy sauce, and then just a little bit of sesame oil, just some salt for taste. We're gonna go ahead and put the top on, and we're gonna give it a little shake, get it all nice and mixed up good. All right, that's good. It tastes really good. Okay, I'm just gonna put the lid back on since everything is mixed, and I'm gonna set this to the side for the moment. Over here, mix this up a little bit. That ginger and the garlic is getting nice and cooked super well. Gonna keep stirring this probably for about 2 more minutes. Let it cook for like 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and dump our ramen noodles in them. These are just like a beef ramen noodle. You can use whatever flavor you have. Looks about good, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump these noodles in here. Ooh, this smells amazing. Okay, we're just gonna add a little bit of honey to this. Make sure everything is really nice and mixed together well. All right, so our wontons are done. We're gonna put those on this plate, just like this. All right, now I'm just gonna remove these toothpicks very carefully. All right, just like that. Perfect. Now I'm gonna bring my new noodles over. Wow, those smell really good. All right, we're gonna take our noodles and we're just gonna put some inside of this. Just like that. All right, those are all nice and filled, and now we're just gonna take a little bit of that like salsa that we made, that like we're gonna put that on top just like that. Now we're just gonna take a little bit more parsley and some green onion to make it look pretty and garnish. All right, let's give it a go. Those are really good, and they're so easy to make. You should definitely try these.